Hi there, welcome to Cape May. My name is Lindsay and we're here at one of our Madison resorts. Let me show you around our beautiful beachfront property. Follow me. At Madison Resorts, we have something for everyone. When you stay with us, we want you to feel part of our family. Step inside one of our brand new renovated suites and soak up these impeccable panoramic ocean views. For an even better view, head up to our 4th floor sun deck, which can also be rented out for your very own private event. Now let's take it over to Harry's Ocean Bar and Grill. We are Cape May's only oceanfront rooftop bar with some of the best views on the island. While you're here, dive into our crispy chicken sandwich, our most popular item on the menu. Next is our very own on-site liquor store, the Wine Cellar, stocked with all the finest local Cape May beer, wine, and spirits. If you're looking to plan your next Cape May getaway, Madison Resorts is the place to be. We are walking distance to the best shopping on Washington Street Mall and a short drive to historic Cape May landmarks, including the Cape May Point Lighthouse. Come along, there's still so much to see. Welcome to Washington Street Mall. You cannot visit Cape May without stopping here. There's a variety of shops and restaurants, so let's go take a look around. I'm a chocolate lover, so the Original Fudge Kitchen is always my first stop.
So the fudge shop here at the Original Fudge Kitchen has been here since 1983. We've been hand making our own fudge for 50 plus years with the same recipe and the same process. One of the things that Cape May has become is we are a year-round town. Most of the merchants are open all year long. What makes the Washington Street Mall so unique is you're taking two great attractions, the beach, and you're mixing it with a great area of shopping and dining.
We're here at the iconic Cape May Lighthouse. Let's head to the top and check out the beautiful views. Built in 1859 and features breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and Delaware Bay, after climbing 199 steps to the top, of course.
The 1859 Cape May Lighthouse is the most iconic representation of maritime history in Cape May. It's a sign of hope, of security, and it means so much to so many people. The impact that Madison Resorts is having in this community is profound. One of the owner's wife's grandfather was a lighthouse keeper here. The principal came to us as soon as they took ownership of the property and said they want to be involved in everything Cape May Mac and everything Cape May. Cape May is the only National Historic Landmark municipality in the entire country. It combines Victorian architecture and the shore, and we're alive pretty much 12 months a year. I love Cape May. It's a place where memories are made. There's no better place for a family to enjoy their time at the beach than in Cape May.
Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of charming Cape May and all it has to offer. There's so much more to see and do, so we invite you to come back and stay with us any time of the year. See you soon.